The thing that I think truly differentiates Argonaut is how the bikes themselves ride. So the technology, the material, our processes, those are all based around giving us consistency and quality in manufacturing. But then that's all to the end of making a really great riding bike. It's got to be aesthetically pleasing. The fit and finish has to be really next level. But none of that matters if the bike doesn't ride well. My name is Ben Farver. Owner and founder of Argonaut Cycles, located here in Bend, Oregon. And I started out building custom steel bikes. And until about 2011 is when I switched from steel to making bikes out of carbon fiber. Yeah, so we're pretty almost entirely vertically integrated from a manufacturing standpoint of our production facility here in Bend, where we start with the raw material. We make our own tooling, make our own mandrels, cut our own patterns. We really control every aspect of the frame building process. Frame fabrication, all the way through the paint process, all the way through the final build. Two reasons we do that. One is that's really the only way to ensure the quality that we're trying to get out of every bike. And then also, if we want to iterate or improve or make a certain aspect of the bike better, we don't have to wait through a whole production cycle, which is what you would have to do if you were making bikes overseas or with another provider. So we can iterate and we can more quickly make improvements in our product. The thing that I'm most looking forward to in the future from a manufacturing side is being able to utilize our molding technology, introducing new materials, innovate and progress the level of our bikes. So being primarily a direct-to-consumer brand, we really want our bikes to land safely at the customer's door and in a way where they're able to get on the road as quickly as possible without having to feel like they need to go to a shop or hire a mechanic. And having the opportunity with Bikeflights, we can ship farther and longer and open up new markets. Something to consider when you're thinking about working with Bikeflights is just the benefit and the value add that they give in terms of simplifying the shipping aspect. Again, going back to pre-Bikeflights, every shipment could take upwards of an hour and a half of time spent searching best and cheapest and most efficient shipping mechanism. And now, that time frame is cut down to maybe 10 minutes max. At the end of the day, when you combine savings just in terms of time, that actually outweighs significantly the simply cost savings, which is also there. So the two put together is really significant.